Here's the app called AirBrush AI photo editor. So you can just tap get to install it, double click to install it, and then you can see it's actually quite high in the charts in photo and video. Edit your photos to perfection with this fast, powerful, and easy photo editor. Remove pimples, smooth wrinkles, even out skin tone, whiten teeth, and all of these things. There are a bunch of alternatives to this app. It's a very popular niche, but yeah, let's just open it up to see how is it different, how is it more expensive. There is so premium, AirBrush premium, $44 per year. There is 7 days for free, so quite extended free trial, 7 days. It's pretty cool. So you can try it at least for 6 days without like influence, on your payment. And then $44 per year, it's not like super cheap. There are apps like under $30 per year like that, and there are apps like above 60. So yeah, it's kind of in a mid-range. Then you just need to agree, and then that's basically how you can add all of these different styles. There are all of these like AI filters as well, which you can apply. And then there is some AI headshots. And then you just select your identity, then select styles. I don't know if this app also offers this AI headshot filters. And then you just need to select 10-15 photos. Like, let's see, this is just an example. Okay, and then you just need to import those. And then there is a package, and the package is here. Like, either you subscribe to premium and then you get 20 headshots, or you can just buy 20 headshots for $10, 40 headshots for 20, 60 headshots for 30. It's quite expensive, to be honest. Like, in other apps, you can get 50 headshots for like around $6, $5-6, and 20 headshots you can buy for like $2. Of course, all these AI models are quite expensive, but yeah, for example, here, that's the price in which you can get. Yeah, so that's what you can do. Not gonna do that. I already bought my yearbook from Epic, where it was like $6 for 50 images or something. Then yeah, also AI replace AI avatar. Then you can just smooth area. Like, for example, let's just check out some like filters, and then that's what you can do. And then here you can select and see how to smooth. As I'm sliding, as you can see, that's basically how you smooth it out. So yeah. And then you can also have this magic face width. You can change that, but then I guess you need to upgrade. So here you can just do it like this. And then chin, you can increase your chin. And then nose size, you can smaller your nose. It's pretty cool with all these AI filters. Like, make more contours, red eye fix, brighten, whiten teeth. So yeah, all of the stuff where, if you want to create some really cool selfie, you can just kind of experiment with this app. It's quite easy to use. And yeah, and then you also have video erasers, which was that remove unwanted objects from your videos. So that's something cool, right? And then also you can remove objects from your photos, which is also quite cool. So yeah, and then there is photo repair, AI repair, like you can repair some old photos. So yeah, that's basically the idea here. Hope you enjoyed it.